Yeah.
Now let me.
Keep going. No, keep going.
Now let me explain something to you.
Okay.
No, that's not cool.
Explain it.
I feel like I'm the one who's the idiot of the car. No, I want you to zoom out here. Can you zoom out here? My bumper is hardly attached. I pull over a speed bump and I bottom out. I have transmission fluid leaking all over the hotel parking lot. And half the time, you can barely get in the car. Okay? But that's because it's an 88 and I spent $900 on it.
You went $900?
That's a lot of money, huh?
Why didn't you just go buy something else?
But nobody knows your pants are Walmart pants.
Can I tell you a little secret of mine?
Yeah.
I just told you they're Walmart pants. Didn't you notice I was wearing blue holy jeans when we came here? I got it off those racks. And I just teased because I was embarrassed. Because I thought I might be able to get that car. But it's cool. I'll never come back again. You ministry's my ass. No, I had hope for my future.
Are you getting in your $900 car?
I hope it starts up. And I hope I can get my door open. But if not, maybe I can get to ride with that girl. You know, maybe she can drive me home in her 98, whatever.
With a full tank of gas.
It probably did have a full tank
Yeah.
of gas.
Maybe help me out. I'll spot her a couple bucks. After I sell my car, I'll give her the couple bucks I get from it to spot her for some gas. We got an auction going on. $7.99. 50 cents. Damn. All right.